Hello everyone. This week for week 6 module we are making a video for the bill of sale agreement. Let's get started answering some questions here. Question number 1 wants us to restate the facts in the case, providing the viewer with an overview of the facts surrounding the transaction. So to list off some facts here, a young man named Johnny just got his driver's license. Johnny had worked over the last few years to save money to purchase a car. Johnny has not told his parents that he plans to purchase a car and that he has been in contact with Bob at Bob's used car lot. Johnny has significant health issues. Johnny's parents are again unaware that he has contacted Bob about the purchase of a vehicle. Johnny has never told Bob his age. Bob has never asked. Johnny has never disclosed his health issues to Bob. Bob has never asked about the health issues. Johnny has been told by Bob that his car is the finest in the country, only 25,000 miles, a one-owner vehicle, and has never been in an accident. $4,999 is the sticker price, but Bob offered to sell the car for $4,500. Johnny informs Bob that he plans to use the car to run moonshine. Bob recognized Johnny may have a hard time understanding the information they are discussing. Bob does not follow up to ensure he understands. Bob disregards the health issues of Johnny as he feels they do not pertain to him. Johnny agrees to purchase the car for $4,500 on the spot. Bob reminds Johnny that the car is being sold as is, where is, with no warranties implied or expressed. Johnny's mother does some research and finds the car has had multiple owners, accidents, and flood damage. The miles on the car are suspicious also. Johnny and his family leave on vacation. When they return, they attempt to return the car. Bob reminds them the car was sold as is, where is, and declines the return. Moving on to question number 2. If Johnny Jet is not a minor and is the owner of Johnny Jet Auto Resale Specialist, and this sale is between merchants for the sale of goods, state whether there is proper offer, acceptance, and consideration. Okay, so if we're talking just offer, acceptance, and consideration between two businesses with these facts, I feel there was an offer made here. Johnny or Bob offered to sell the car for $4,500 in as is, where is condition. I would consider this to have acceptance also, because I'm going with the assumption that those contracts provided to us in this assignment were signed. So if both signatures were on there, then obviously there was acceptance. There was an offer and then acceptance, one agreeing to sell it, one agreeing to buy it for the disclosed price and all the facts within the document there. And then was there consideration? Consideration would be present here also in the form of money and a vehicle. So moving on to question number 3, state whether the goods have been identified sufficiently in the contract document and whether title has validly passed between Bob and Johnny Jet. I would say that there has been sufficient documentation and this is a valid contract between Johnny Jet and Bob Auto Sales. The first paragraph in the bill of sale states whom is qualified to sell the car, that they have the right to sell the car. The second paragraph describes the vehicle in as is, where is condition. No implied or express warranties are given. Third paragraph states the buyer has inspected the vehicle or has had the opportunity to have someone inspect the vehicle. The second page states the odometer reading has not been altered and is in fact the actual mileage on the car. Again, this is assuming that the contracts were signed, which I would assume for this assignment was the case. Moving on to question number 4, state what, if any, warranties apply to the above linked sales contract based on the facts of the sale and the language of the contract. To me, the bill of sale document provided clearly states in paragraph number 2 that the motor vehicle is being sold in as is, where is condition, and the seller expressly disclaims all warranties, whether express or implied, including but not limited to any implied warranty of merchantability or fitness for a particular purpose. It also states that the seller disclaims any warranty as to the condition of the working order of the motor vehicle. Lastly, the paragraph number 2 states that the above disclaimer of any warranties does not in any way affect the terms of any applicable warranties from the manufacturer of the motor vehicle. So hopefully this is what you were looking for in this assignment and the answers I provided. I apologize this is late. I've had to go through many different applications to get this to work. I'm really hoping this works this time. I've been unable to upload it to YouTube, so we'll give this another try after the 8th time I recorded a video. So here we go.